And
وما عشوك وما شلتامهم فمش لو mij staat homie, daar zit een waarde aan. Dus ik sta waar ik zal voor moeten staan. En inderdaad, voor degenen die niet snappen wie er achter me staan. Dat zijn mijn koerden en mijn broeders die hier samen gaan. Yeah, en wat ik ben, dat zal ik blijven. Dit is wat ik doe en wat ik denk, dat zal ik schrijven. Pakte mijn pen en ik... Breng het als een koerman, Haza die wil roepen dat het is, ik blijf het doen man. Gebergd in ons staat, nou laat het zit in ons hart. Kan niet als dat die beraad, sta op voor Koerdistan. Move man, breng het als een koerman, Haza die wil roepen dat het is, ik blijf het doen man. Gebergd in ons staat, nou laat het zit in ons hart. Kan niet als dat die beraad, sta op voor Koerdistan.
we are back in the room now. Ooh, Daniel just hit the camera. We're back in the room now, done the workout. We're done eating that burrito that you guys actually just saw that we just ate. But also, I wanted some dessert because those sprints that we did on the treadmill got me craving and feeling some type of way about fruits. Got some of this, got honeydew, cantaloupe, pineapple, watermelon. Then also got a few bananas right there. That's what I'm gonna snack on. But I gotta take a quick shower and then get dressed because we have an excursion. So you guys know what it is. It's time for undressing and dressing time. Ready? And we are done. We got the pink bathing suit on because the father is wearing the same one. So like me and Pops are gonna match today. Daniel looking like a freaking Super Saiyan right there. Love it, beast mode. And we are gonna be leaving quite soon to our excursion. So I'm pretty sure we're gonna be like in a water environment and caves. I'm not really sure. So I hope you guys just kind of enjoy the journey, and then we will get back to the vlog and talk one-on-one when we're on the beach and we're chilling, because we're gonna talk about a topic today that I'm sure you guys are gonna enjoy. So enjoy what's gonna be coming up about now. Dinner because our excursion lasted really long. So I made my own little plate right here. I had kidney beans, black beans, chickpeas. I found some broccoli, so put a whole bunch of broccoli inside, veggie spring rolls, and I had to ask the chef just to make sure that it was vegan, and it was, so it was pretty cool. Had that. Then also had a beautiful baked potato, and he asked the chef to make us a fried portobello mushroom with some carrots, a little bit of root vegetables. I'm not sure which ones they were. And of course he said, what do you guys want for dessert? And I had to go for some crumble. I thought it was apple crumble, but it ended up being like a peach crumble, which was super, super delicious. And we are back in the room right now. We got our boy Kenny over here.
Yeah, what up?
We got Daniel taking a deuce. And right now, actually, that's really cool. We kind of made homemade cold brew, which is really awesome. So I'm gonna kind of get this going. We have the rest of the vegan cake that you guys saw from 2 nights ago that me and Daniel picked up so we can have for dessert, and some banana. And I think that's it for food for today. That's it. We're gonna be done. I don't want to eat anymore. I'm really full. But we have a comedy show tonight. We've got a few edits to do before the day's done. And that's it for Curacao. I think we're docking at 10 something, so that's in like 2.5 hours. But me and Daniel are gonna stay on the boat because we want to finish some edits and post it up so you guys can have something to watch. But that's it. So we're gonna. What'd you say? But that's it. So I'm gonna end the vlog here because just like sushi. Because just like they said on the island, in the shows, you're not allowed to film, so I'm not gonna bring the camera to film. We're gonna see the comedy show, just chill for the rest of the night. So that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. And people screaming, man. Yeah. But we're done. We're done for today, guys. Peace. It's your boy. Punch, headbutt, elbow, knee. Peace.